Right, rescheduling of work and responding to changes. Now remember that a plan laid out as your schematic diagram is open to change, so you must be available and be flexible enough to adapt to these changes. Reschedule the plan if need be, relocate switches, sockets if need be. But you need to show this as an eye diagram where these changes has been taking place. Again, I'm just going to step through this. You don't need me to do a lot of talking to this because it is self-explanatory now. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.